Hello everyone, I'm Satyam and in this video we will be covering about the event listeners and the event handling topic in JavaScript. So guys, I guess this is the last topic of our video series, but we will cover some examples after that, and we will see what we can do with simple event handling in the next video. And so we will learn how to handle events and what are the various types of event that occurs basically while we are working with the events. So what are basically events are basically the like if when some a user clicks on a div tag, that's an event. When a user hovers over a mouse, that's an event. When a user press a key, that's an event. So everything that the user interact with the by every means that the user can interact with the website is an event. So there are various event listeners that helps us to listen the events so that we can do our work. So let's see some examples of that so that we can learn about the event handling. So like this is the first example. I have not shown the whole code, but I am just showing the main code here. So first thing is I have made a div on which I have applied the on mouse over event, and when the on mouse over event happens, the m over function runs with the this keyword. On mouse out, m out function runs with the this keyword as a parameter. On mouse down and on mouse up, two functions run m down this and m up this. So basically these are the events that I have applied on the that div, and then I have applied some internal styling background color and width and height and padding. So after that there is a script tag. So now I have to do all the work with the help of the JavaScript. So what I will do is I have there is an orange color, almost orange color, dark orange color, and there is a text written on that: mouse over me or click over me. So there are basically four functions that are that runs when I when a particular event happens, like mouse over, mouse up, mouse down, mouse over. So what we can do is function m over and then object. So we are passing the current object, and the current object is this. So this dot inner html equals to thank you, and then object dot style dot background color is some color is changed. Same is the case with the all the other elements. So we can see that when the function m dot out runs, it changes the background color again. So on hovering the mouse over that div, our color and text will change, and on when we take our mouse out of that div, then the color and mouse again changes. After that there are two more functions: mouse up and mouse down, m up and m down. So m up function is used when we click on the div tag. That function is known as mouse down, but when we release that click, so then that function is known as mouse up event. So let's see what will happen. So this is again some other example. So in the previous code we have seen that when we hover over the the div, we can change the color or we can change the text on depending upon some specific element or specific event. So in this example I have used the add event listener method, which is more useful because I don't have to write everything on the div tag coding, because it becomes difficult for the other developers to read that kind of code. So what I have done is here is I have made a button, and then on the button I have written a text that try it. So but there is a button that shows a text try it, and then there is a p that is a paragraph tag with the id of demo. And after that there is a script tag and document dot get element by id my button. I am taking my button with the help of get element by id. After that add event listeners are added with the mouse over, click and mouse out button. And there are basically three functions: add event listener can take multiple arguments. First one is the event and second is the action that we want to perform on that event. So the second thing one is the function. So there are basically three events. First one is the mouse over, mouse click and mouse out. So there are three functions that I have written here. First one is the function my function, and my second function, and my third function. So these three functions are used to like tell what events is happening. So for the mouse out, for the mouse out, my third function will run. For the click event, my second function will run, and more mouse over, my function will run. So when I hover over the try it button, it gives me the output in the DOM without even refreshing the page. It gives me the output of mouse over, mouse out, mouse over, mouse out, mouse over, mouse out. When I click that try it button, it shows me clicked. After that, mouse out, mouse over, clicked, mouse out, mouse over, and then again mouse out. So I can like make I can change the different events, and I can handle different events. So you can also try that code, and you can also try my previous code. Both these codes are available on my GitHub profile, so you can also check that. So again there is a this is again an example. I have made two divs here, and in the script tag I just added an event listener click, and the function is you click the paragraph element and then the false, but false. So I have passed two parameters here on the click event. So you can see that when I click the first paragraph element, I get the alert as you click the p element, and you click the div element, or you click the p element, or you click the div element, depending upon the like type. Like if I click on the orange part, then I get the alert as you clicked on the div. When I clicked on the text part, then I get the output as you clicked on the paragraph element. So these are the basic different advantages and disadvantages. You can create your own games with the help of that. You can create your puzzle games. You can create like some color shuffling games with the help of these events, because these are very easy. You can even place you can even make some games like checkers or something like that, if you know the logic behind that. And this is very important. Like if a user is hovering somewhere, or if a user is checking something, then you can also check the time for which the user is hovering. Then you can apply some data science to that, and then you can see what are the things that the user like, or how you can like change that thing. So I hope you learned something from this video. So guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned with Unacademy for more videos, and you will get the full source code at the following link.